Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to start spot trading on Binance. First, make sure you are logged into your Binance account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and complete the verification process. Once you're logged in, go to the top of the page and click on Trade. From the drop-down menu, select Spot. This will take you to the Spot trading interface. Here, you'll see a chart in the middle of the screen, and on the right side, you'll find the order book. Below that, there are options to buy and sell. Before placing any trades, make sure you have deposited funds into your Binance account. If not, click on Wallet in the top right, then Fiat and Spot to check your balance and make deposits. Once you have funds ready, go back to the spot trading page. To start, you'll need to choose a trading pair. For example, if you want to trade Bitcoin with USDT, type BTC USDT in the search bar located on the top right. Now, let's look at the order types. You have three main types. Limit order. This allows you to set a specific price to buy or sell. Your order will only be executed when the market reaches your set price. Market order. This buys or sells instantly at the current market price. Stop limit order. This is more advanced and allows you to set both a stop price and a limit price for better control. To place an order, decide whether you want to buy or sell. For example, to buy Bitcoin using USDT, select the Buy tab. Enter the amount you want to buy or use the percentage buttons below to set how much of your balance you want to use. Once you've set everything, click on Buy BTC. Your order will either execute instantly if it's a market order or will wait for your limit price to be reached if it's a limit order. After your order is complete, you can check the status in the Order History section found at the bottom of the page. That's how you start spot trading on Binance. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.